Hi, I'm Debbie, and I'm about to give you 7 incredible tips to do videos online for your Facebook Lives, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook Reels or Instagram Stories and Reels. So stay tuned for those 7 tips. But first, watch this short little 1-minute clip to actually help you understand why videos are so important in 2023. Here we go.
Hey, fellow online marketer, it's 2023, and you really need to be creating videos to seriously grow your business.
Yes, I know I really should be doing video, but I'm so very worried about what others are going to think of me. And I'm not so good with tech stuff. I have no idea what I'm going to say.
I get that. On February 20th, my mentor Mark Harbert is putting on a free 5-day challenge online, and it's all recorded to help us eliminate those fears of creating videos, and a simple walkthrough on all the tech stuff to make it super easy. Day 3, he shares tons of tips on how to get engagement on our videos. So if you register today, you will receive 101 video ideas.
Oh my gosh, that sounds great. When is it? How do I register?
Again, it's February 20th through the 24th. Register with the link I've put below, and I'll be there watching with you.
Okay, here are those 7 tips. Number 1, instead of reading word for word, just use simple outline or bullet points to keep you on track with what you want to share. So your phrasing will be more natural. All right, brings us to number 2, speak louder with higher energy. Use more cuts, using more editing apps. I love CapCut and iMovie to cut out the gaps and breathing spaces when you talk. Here's a fun one. Move around. Number 4 is move around. So one clip could be you sitting over here, and the next you're sitting over here. That will keep the interest of your audience watching. Number 5, use a lot of B-roll. When you're talking about something, show an image or video of the thing to break up the monotony and help the message sink in for the viewer. Number 6, make sure your lighting, exposure, and your A-roll are bright and cheery. You could be in the camera or the settings, but make sure that you're not sitting in the dark. Number 7, one of my favorites, add sound effects to visual movements. Have an image move into the shot. Add a sound effect to it too. This is all to keep things interesting and keep your audience watching. Okay, that's my 7 tips, but watch this. Real quick, stepping up and doing videos is the fastest way to build a business online. When my mentor invited me to be a beta tester for a brand new video challenge, I just said yes. Video marketing has helped me in my life and my business more than I can even describe. This upcoming free 5-day challenge starts February 20th. Plus, he's giving away over $10,000 in prizes just for showing up. So it's time to step up, show up, and learn video marketing. The link is in the comments.